Hey everyone, and welcome to another Picsart tutorial. So today's tutorial is all about reflecting your whole heart by designing a mirror edit that's picture perfect for Valentine's Day. With Picsart, you can easily create a unique reflection of your favorite image in just a few taps. To start, tap on the plus button and upload your image. Then tap on the sticker in the editor and search for a mirror to frame that beautiful face. Scale it up to match the size of your background image, make sure that the opacity is at 100 and voila, my Valentine. There you are in a mirror frame. Now it's time to find a message for your mirror. Go to the stickers and find the section called Sealed with a Kiss. Don't worry, no lipsticks were harmed in the making of these stickers. To make sure your lipstick love letter looks like it's in high definition, we recommend adding an effect. We went with HDR1. You then want to adjust the size and the positioning so that your beauty isn't upstaged by some lipstick. Add a filter to give your look more of a rosy glow. So cute! Then all you need is a low opacity shadow mask to tie the whole image together. It's a match made in heaven. Once you've chosen your mask, add a blend mode and bring the opacity down. Now it's time to make everything a little bit more realistic. Start with the lens flare tool. This will make it seem as though the sun reflects the mirror. Choose your favorite. Next, add a prism mask, bringing the opacity almost all the way down to complete that effortless mirror shine. And finally, complete the image with noise FX for a little kiss that ties all the layers together. It's a match made in heaven. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed reflecting on your beauty and that your special someone or someones will love it. Happy Valentine's Day. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our official YouTube channel for more heartfelt tutorials.